Smart TECAR capacitive and resistive energy transfer is used for acute and chronic pain, muscle and tendon disorders, etc. for physiotherapy. Here you can see there are two handles with 3 different size tips and 2 resistive energy transfer handle as well as the electrode plate. Print to the code, and we are going to treat the arm by IT. Apply the gel to the treatment part and electrode plate. It is used to help connect the machine and the treated area. The intensity can be adjusted appropriate by the user. As we moving around the pain region, the energy is released only in the deeper tissue layers and converted into heat without energy loss. The deeper penetration of resistive energy transfer can reach 10 centimeters. It can be used in different parts of the body. Now we change the other handle. The two handles need to work together and do not need electrode plate.